Question number 8. Identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices of each of the following. Fourth subdivision. Okay. So first we have to identify the conic. Here also we have minus in between. So it will be a hyperbola. And we have y first. No? So it will be of second type. So you can write it as it represents a hyperbola. And the transverse axis is parallel to y axis. The given equation should be of this form. Y minus k the whole square by a square minus x minus I the whole square by b square is equal to 1. So first we have to write the center. Center is I comma k. So y minus k, instead of k we have 2. Okay, k value is 2. X plus 1. This plus 1 can be written as minus of minus 1. So I value is minus 1. Now a square. This a square is 25. B square is 16. A square is 25 means from this a value is 5. B square is 16 means b is equal to 4. E is equal to the formula is root of 1 plus b square by a square. It is equal to root of, replace the value, simplify, you'll get root of 41 by, in the denominator it will be 25, its square root is 5. Now you can find the AE. AE value is 5 into root of 41 by 5. Okay, the E value. So 5 you can cancel. It is root of 41. Now A by E. A by E is equal to, A value is what? It is 5. So 5 by E value. E value is root of 41 by 5. This denominator 5 will go to the numerator. It will become 25 by root of 41. Now the vertices. It is I comma k plus or minus A. Minus 1 comma 2 plus or minus, our a value is 5. So it is minus 1 comma, first take plus value, 2 plus 5 it is 7. Then minus 1 comma, take minus value, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Now foci. Foci is h comma k plus or minus ae. H value is minus 1, 2 plus or minus ae value is root of 41. Equation of directrices is y equal to k plus or minus a by e. It is 2 plus or minus a by e. The value is 25 by root of 41. Now you can draw the diagram. First you draw x-axis, y-axis. This is our center. That is, this is our origin, 0, 0. Now you mark the center. Okay, the center is minus 1, 2. So minus 1, 2. At this point 1, x-axis and y-axis, that is x dash, y dash. Along with this axis x dash, y dash only we'll have the curve. So we are marking the vertices. Vertices are what? Minus 1, 7 and minus 1, 3. So this is our center, that is origin. Minus 1, 2 will be somewhere here, and minus 1, 7 we have here. Okay, all are approximate values, that is in approximate only we are plotting the values. Then minus 1 minus 3 will be somewhere here. Okay, so after plotting the vertices you can draw the parabola. We know it is second type. Second type means it will be like this, open upward, and here it will be open downward. Then you can mark the focus. Here we have in root value, isn't it? So anyway, after this vertices only we'll have the focus. Okay, here one value and here the negative value will be down. And if you want the accurate value, what you can do is 41. We know the root of 36. 36 is 6. Root of 49 is 7. So root of 41 means it lies between 6 and 7. 6 point something will come. So 6.5 suppose I am taking means 2 plus 6.5 means it will be 8.5. So here we have minus 1, 7 as the vertices. So after that it will be 8.5 the focus. So like that you can find the value and you can plot the values. Then directrices, that is y is equal to 2 plus or minus 25 by root of 41. So this also approximately you can draw. Anyway, at the back of this parabola only you'll have the directrices, that is this figure. Okay, so like this you can draw one directrix, and here at the back another one directrix. So this is the required hyperbola diagram. Now the sixth subdivision. So first we have to identify which conic is this. So listen, actually this concept we have in the next exercise only. But how we can identify that I'll explain now. If the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square are different and both have opposite sign, means it will be hyperbola. Okay, so the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are different. Here we have 9, here we have 1. Without the sign I am taking 1. And both are minus 1. Coefficient, if you take it as minus 1 also, no problem. Both are not equal. And you have to see the sign. Here it is positive, here it is negative. So if both are opposite sign means it represents a hyperbola. So it represents a hyperbola. Now I am going to bring it to standard form. How we can do is, from the first two terms, that is along with the x square term you take this x term. Okay. Then along with this y square term you take this y. Then take the constant term to the next side. From these two terms you can take 9 outside. It is x square minus 4x. Here you take minus sign outside. So both will become plus. Y square plus 6y is equal to minus 18. Now 9 is outside. Here x square minus 4x we have. Take the coefficient of x divided by 2. So minus 4 divided by 2 means it is, here I have written, it will be 2. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. So you put plus 4 as well as minus 4. Here if you see the coefficient of y we have to take, it is 6. Divide the coefficient of y by 2 and square it. It is 3 square, so it will be 9. Put 1 plus 9 and minus 9 equal to minus 18. 9 is outside. Combine the first three terms. How you can write is, x square means x you have to put. For x term we have minus sign, so put a minus sign. 4 means it can be written as 2 square. So here 2 the whole square minus this 4. Minus of, now you can combine these three terms. Y square means put y. For y term if you have plus means here plus. 9 means it is 3 square. So put 3 the whole square. Then this minus 9 equal to minus 18. Now we can take this 9 inside. It is 9 into x minus 2 the whole square. 9 into minus 4 is minus 36. Now this minus sign you can take inside. Minus of y plus 3 the whole square. Here it will be plus 9 equal to minus 18. So now here you add the constant. Minus 36 plus 9 means it is equal to, that is it will be minus 27. I am taking it to the next side and after that I am simplifying it. So altogether it will become 9. Now you have to divide this by the right hand side value 9. So x minus 2 the whole square by 1. When we divide this by 9 it will be 1 minus y plus 3 the whole square by 9 equal to 1. So this is of the first type and this is our a square value. This is our b square value. The center is h comma k. X minus h. H is 2. Y minus of minus 3. K is minus 3. So a square and b square you can find. A square is 1, b square is 9. So a value is 1, b value is 3. E value you can find out. It is equal to root of 1 plus b square by a square. It is equal to root of 1 plus b square is 9 by a square is 1. Take the LCM. It is root 10 by 1. Root 10 you can write. Now a into e value. It is a value is 1. 1 into e is root 10. So it will be root 10. A by e. A is 1 by e is root of 10. Vertices h plus or minus a comma k is the formula. So h is 2 plus or minus a is 1 comma k value is minus 3. Take plus value first. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then take minus value. 2 minus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 and comma minus 3. 2 minus 1 is 1 comma this minus 3. Now foci. Foci is h plus or minus ae comma k. H value is 2 plus or minus ae we have found out here. It is the root 10. Then comma k is minus 3. Equation of directories is x equal to h plus or minus a by e is the formula. So x equal to h is 2 plus or minus a by e formula is 1 by root 10. So now you can draw x-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay. Then origin, after that you mark the center. It is 2 comma minus 3. So draw your axis here x dash, y dash. Then after that you mark the vertices. It is 3 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 3. After marking the vertices you draw the hyperbola passing through the vertices like this. Then at the back of this curve only it will be the directrices will come. X equal to 2 minus 1 by root 10 and here it is x is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 10. And focus will be inside the curve. Okay, here is dash. Here the negative value, here the positive value. Remark. consider the equation. So you consider this equation. Here if you replace b by a means how the equation will become, this b square will become a square. So this denominator is common, no? Now you can cross multiply it. Like this you'll get. So what equation is this? It is the equation of a circle whose center is h comma k and radius is a. Okay. Then when b is equal to a, the eccentricity formula is this, root of 1 minus b square by a square. If b is equal to a means it will be like this. You can cancel this value, it will become 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So eccentricity is becoming 0 for circle. Okay. And we know that SP by PM is equal to E, and this E value is becoming 0 means what is the meaning? Any number by infinity is only 0. Okay. So this distance here PM means the distance between the moving point and the point on the directrix. This distance is infinity means, okay, this distance is infinity means the directrix of the circle is infinity. Okay. Then next value is, that is the next condition is auxiliary circle or circumcircle means it is a circle with the length of major axis as diameter. You can see the curve here. So here we have a ellipse. This you see first. This is a ellipse. Okay. So here our length of major axis. Length of major axis means this, the distance between A dash. So this is a usually 2a. Okay, the formula is 2a. So if you keep this 2a as the diameter and if you draw a circle means that circle is only said to be auxiliary circle or circumcircle. And here b dash is the length of minor axis. It will be 2b. So if you keep this 2b as the diameter and draw a circle means this circle which is inside is said to be the in circle. And this in the middle what we have, this is our ellipse. Okay. And the equation of the auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equal to a square because the radius is a, and the equation of the in circle is x square plus y square equal to b square because here the radius is b. Next point, 1 astronomical unit means the distance between the sun and the earth. And this its value is given like this, and this is the semi-major axis of the Earth's orbit. Listen students, in 5th chapter I started with the second exercise. Okay, first I took the second exercise and that is over. Now I am going to take the first exercise. Okay, so the topic is circle. So circle we know, isn't it? A circle is the locus of a point in a plane which moves such that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is always a constant. And the fixed point is called the center and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. So listen here, for circle what we need? We need a moving point, a fixed point that is the center and the fixed distance that is the radius. So the path traced by a moving point in such a way that the distance between the fixed point and the moving point will be a constant value. And now we can see the equation of circle. So equation of circle in standard form. If the equation of the circle, that is the equation of the circle with center origin and radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, if the center is origin and the radius is r, then the equation of the circle is this form. Next one is if the center is h comma k, where this is not origin and radius is r means the equation of the circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. And the third form is when we expand this and simplify, you can write it in this form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Actually here we don't have any h, k and all, but after simplifying that constants we will take, that is the coefficient of x we will take it as 2g, coefficient of y we will take it as 2f and the constant as c. Okay. So this is the general form of a circle. And the equation, this is a second degree equation and it is a circle we said, no? And what conditions or what characteristic we have here is the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square will be equal. For circle, the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square will be equal, and it will be not equal to 0. Okay, and the coefficient of xy will be equal to 0. Coefficient of xy is equal to 0 means there won't be any xy term. And it is a second degree equation in x and y. Note, for the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, the center is minus g comma minus f and the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. We will get a real circle if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. And we will get a point circle, that is a point, okay, if g square plus f square minus c equal to 0, and an imaginary circle if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0 with no locus. That is, imaginary means we don't have any locus for that, that is, no path is formed. Next, theorem 5.2. The equation of a circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as extremities of one of the diameters of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Proof. So what we have here is, if the end points of the diameters are given, okay, this is the diameter, the end points are x1, y1, x2, y2, then the equation of the circle will be of this form. This only you have to prove. So let x1, y1 and b, x2, y2 be two extremities, that is the endpoints of the diameter AB, and p, x, y be any point on the circle, that is, it is a moving point. And the angle that is formed on the circumference of the circle, that is this angle, will be always 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle, okay, in this semicircle, this angle will be 90 degree. Therefore, the product of slopes of AP and PB is equal to minus 1. That is, perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular means this line and this line are perpendicular. This angle will be 90. Okay. Two lines are perpendicular means the product of the slopes will be equal to minus 1. So, according to that, here we are taking the product of the slopes. For finding the slope when two lines are given is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the formula. Here our points are, one point is x1, y1 and the other point is xy. Okay, we are taking these 2 points. So we can take the formula like this. Instead of what x2, y2, we are taking xy. So y minus y1 by x minus x1. This is the slope of this line PA. Same if you take the slope of this line, it is that is y minus y2 by x minus x2 equal to minus 1. So you can multiply these two. That is here in the denominator we have the product of these two terms. You can cross multiply it. So minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2 you will get. Then both the terms you can take it to the left side. It will become plus. Okay. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Now you can see example 5.1. Find the general equation of a circle with the center minus 3, minus 4 and radius 3 units. So we have the center and radius here, and the center is not origin. So the equation of the circle will be of this form. Instead of h, k, we have to replace this value. So x minus of minus 3 means it will become plus. X plus 3 the whole square. Y minus of minus 4 means it will become plus. Y plus 4 the whole square equal to r is 3. So 3 square. So like this you will get, you can expand it. A plus b the whole square formula. A square plus 2ab, that is 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 equal to 9. Both the side 9 you can cancel. You will get the answer as x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can see the fifth sum in exercise 5.1. Obtain the equation of the circle for which 3, 4 and 2, minus 7 are the end points of a diameter. So end points of the diameter are given. Just now we saw one theorem. Now the equation of the circle will be of this form. So here x1, y1 is this point. This is x2, y2. Now replace the points here. xy will be in the same way. So when we replace it here, you'll get x minus x1 is 3, x minus x2 is 2, plus y minus y1 is 4, y minus y2 is minus 7. So minus of minus, it will become plus. You can multiply both the terms. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Here you will get y square plus 7y minus 4y minus 28. So these two terms you can add. It is minus 5x. Here when we add this, it will be 3y. So now you can add the terms x square plus y square minus 5x and here 3y minus, that is 6 minus 28 is minus 22 equal to 0.